The headlines: MNC tells staff to work from home after 2 tested positive for H1N1. And heroin worth Rs 42 lakh seized in Juribam. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. A multinational company has given a work-from-home guidance till February 28 to its employees after 2 of them tested positive for influenza A H1N1. According to an email sent by the crisis management team of FEB India to its employees, 2 of their employees based in Bengaluru RMZ EcoWorld office have tested positive for H1N1. The company has undertaken extensive sanitization and complete fumigation of its premises. According to media reports, as a precautionary measure, all the FEB India offices across Bengaluru, Gurugram and Mumbai have been closed for extensive sanitization, and all FEB India employees based in these locations have been asked to work from home till further notice. Meanwhile, 175 persons have tested positive for the airborne disease in Karnataka from January till date. Nearly half of these cases are from BBMP areas. A team of anti-drugs cell and Juribam district police seized heroin worth Rs 42 lakh in the international market near Jirigat High School around 10 p.m. yesterday. The seizure took place after the team chased a speeding cruiser bearing registration number AS11BC 5607, which was captured near Jirigat High School. The police found 10 soap cases containing heroin weighing 14 grams in the vehicle. The driver of the vehicle was identified as Abidur Rahman Laskar, aged 33 years, son of Noor Ahmed Laskar of Ujjan Tarapur under Lakhipur Police Station in Kachar district of Assam. A case has been registered at Lakhipur Police Station for further investigation, a report said. Troops of 12 Assam Rifles seized brown sugar worth Rs 1 crore in the international market yesterday at Tengnopal along Imphal More Road. Said Sharif Sa, aged 22 years, son of late Said Abdul Sattar from Harawi Turel Hanbi of Thawal district, was trafficking the drug in a Maruti Alto car. Said Sharif, along with the seized drug, was handed over to Tengnopal district station for further legal action, a report said. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee Rs 500 only, monthly fee Rs 500 only, 1 year Rs 4,500, 6 months Rs 2,400, 3 months Rs 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabsu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness, Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478.
Welcome back. A seminar on Kakching will be held on 7th of March next at the auditorium of Library and Information Center, Kakching. Chairman of the organizing committee, Naure Munal Mitei, informed this during a press meet at his Kakching Pajilekai residence today. He further said that 4 Kakching-based organizations, Sahitya Seba Samiti Kakching, Macha Chanu Kakching, Writers Association Kakching and Historical Society Kakching will jointly organize the seminar.
Aiba amaga amagi mochi khajitang khenabagum uba masu tawi madugumbodo aikoina sigumba seminar ama pangthuke haraga mayamna yanaba madumangna loire haibadi nataba tungda aikoi leichang nai ni yang wana thiba yam matang di ojasunu adubu hauji pauki state da masimana yanare haibagi pot ama khaktang di puthok daba yade haibasi khalle haraga thengasu thengna aikoi seminar si pangthok jabani.
In a major embarrassment to the Indian security forces, the Assam Rifles posted at the Hamzam Senapati headquarters clashed with Naga army posted there. The situation erupted yesterday when personnel of the Assam Rifles started chasing some personnel belonging to the Naga army. However, the Naga army personnel overpowered the Assam Rifles personnel during the melee. The Naga army reportedly captured the group leader of the Assam Rifles and seized a weapon belonging to them. However, the Assam Rifles official was released after intervention by several social organizations. The weapon was also returned to the Assam Rifles. A cleanliness program was held at No Man's Land near Gate Number 1 and Gate Number 2 of Indo-Myanmar border today. Deputy Commissioner Tengnoupal District M. Rajkumar, Superintendent of Police Tengnoupal T.H. Vikramjit, Commandant 43 Assam Rifles More Sumit Sood, ADC More, L. Manikanta were also present during the program. From Myanmar side, Tamu ADC Nayentun Kyao, Major 266 LIR Battalion, Wailin Soi and officials of Namphaalung Market Committee took part in the program. One JCB from More and one dipper from Myanmar were used during the cleanliness program. The officials appealed to the local residents of No Man's Land not to throw waste in the area. Shifting cultivation or Jhum cultivation may soon get legalized. It is an age-old agricultural practice in some parts of the country, mostly in the northeast. According to reports, the central government is working on a comprehensive policy related to shifting cultivation in order to recognize the land used for shifting cultivation as agricultural and where farmers practice agroforestry for the production of food. The government is also mulling to enable such cultivators access credit and agriculture-related benefits, including subsidies. An estimated 6.23 lakh families are involved in this activity, 90% of which is in the northeast. Credit is often denied to these cultivators because, in the absence of land titles, they are unable to offer the land as collateral for loans. The Niti Aayog is holding consultations with the Ministries of Environment and Agriculture to get the latest data on shifting cultivation as part of the overarching policy. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal will be on a two-day visit to Majuli from today. According to media reports, after landing at Gormur by helicopter, Sonowal will attend a meeting of the District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee at the Deputy Commissioner's office. CM Sonowal will lay foundation of several schemes and projects tomorrow. He will also inaugurate a blood bank at the civil hospital. He is expected to dedicate the blood bank to the people at a meeting scheduled to be held at the civil hospital at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. He will also lay the foundation of a Science and Technology Center, Planetarium, Office of the Majuli District Transport Office, among others. We'll take another short break. Keep watching.
Marks Time Classes Chahi Khudingi Leptana Topper Puthokliba CBSE gi amata ngairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa moral gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahubum Lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. Under the central government's Jal Jeevan Mission initiative, 50 villages from each district of Nagaland, totaling to 550 villages, will have access to adequate drinking water supply within a year. As per media reports, Nagaland Public Health Engineering Department Minister Jacob Zimomi made the announcement during the department's review and coordination meeting held at its conference hall in Kohima yesterday. The Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation under the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti introduced the mission to provide functional household tap connection to every rural household in the country by 2024, with a minimum water supply level of 55 litres per person per day. The death toll in China's novel coronavirus has gone up to 2,236, with 118 more deaths reported, most from the hard-hit Hubei province, while the overall confirmed infection cases have climbed to 75,465, China's health officials said today. As per media reports, the number of deaths is higher than the previous day when 114 people died of the disease, but the country reported the lowest number of new infection cases in nearly a month, increasing hopes that Beijing's epidemic control efforts were working. By the end of yesterday, a total of 2,236 people had died of the disease and 75,465 confirmed cases of novel coronavirus infection had been reported from 31 provincial level regions and in China, the National Health Commission said. The West Bengal Transport Department is set to reintroduce the iconic double-decker bus on city roads, according to a report. The new double-decker buses will hit the roads in March. The bus bodies have been designed in-house by Transport Department, and 2 of these are being re-added for service. Double-decker buses had made it to the city roads during the Raj era, and the red and white colored behemoths had been part of Kolkata's public transportation till the mid-1990s. Before this were phased out owing to high maintenance costs. India's spinner Pragyan Ojha announced that he will be retiring from professional cricket with immediate effect. Pragyan Ojha, who made his international debut in 2008, played professional cricket for 16 years. Despite not featuring in an international fixture since 2013, Pragyan was playing domestic cricket until 2019. The 33-year-old last played for India in 2013 during Sachin Tendulkar's farewell test against West Indies in Mumbai. In all, he played 24 tests between 2009 and 2013, in which he took 113 wickets. Ojha received world number 5 as his career best ranking in ICC player rankings and will be remembered as the first and one of the 2 spinners to ever win the purple cap in the Indian Premier League. Now we have the top newspaper headlines. MNC tells staff to work from home after 2 tested positive for H1N1. And heroin worth ₹42 lakh seized in Juribam. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.